What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Planet Hollywood, gonna do a room tour of the Ultra Resort Queen Room in room 1634. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into this room, this is your entryway. So you have a nice size entry here. It's not crammed from wall to wall. So immediately to your left is your bathroom. So you've got a nice size bathroom here. To the left, going into the bathroom, is one of two sinks. So you do get his and hers sinks just on opposite sides. So you got a nice backlit mirror here with your sink and countertop. And moving over this way is your toilet. So you do have a separate toilet area in the bathroom for those who may need the privacy. Moving over this way, you have a nice size soaking tub. So if those of you want to take a bath and lounge in the bathroom, you do have a soaking tub at your convenience. Then over here is a separate standing shower. So you've got a nice clean looking standing shower. It's a good size. Does include a bench for those who may need to use that while they're in the shower. Then on this side is your second sink. So here is 2 of 2 for the sinks of the his and hers, again with another backlit mirror above. And then below there you do have a hair dryer for those who may need to do that. So you got a nice size bathroom in this room here. Then you've got a nice portrait on this side. As we start making our way toward the main part of the room, here you do have your closet. So here in the closets, you've got your iron board, you've got an iron above, then you do have some extra linen above if you have extra guests. Then down below you have an in-room safe if you need to lock up your valuables, you do have that, as well as an extra drawer. And a full body mirror for those who may need to use a full body mirror so you can check yourself out in your exclusive TVP merch that's coming soon before you hit the strip. So this is your closet. And if you book a suite or have an additional room, if you do book this with a connecting room, this will be the door to your connecting room. So that'll be right there for those who may need that. Headed off into the main part of the room. So coming on this side, this is your work desk slash entertainment slash bar area. So here you have ice bucket and cups, all complimentary. And these are just some extra drawers for those who may need the space. Not gonna open them all. Get back in focus. There we go. Down here you have a mini refrigerator. So for those of you who need to keep things cool, you do get a mini refrigerator. So that's a bonus for this room. And then here's a chair. Like I said, if you need to have a space to do some work or handle some business, you do have that for your convenience. A nice little lamp here. And then on this side, you have your 2 queen beds. Cool couple photos above. But you have 2 queen beds in this room. And then again over there is just another drawer. This is just simply a cock radio, nothing too special. And then going toward the view, this is a table and chair. So you do have a table and chair who those may need it. And a flat screen TV above. Now a lot of y'all asked me if I would ever do the $20 trick. So I did try for this room. And I was supposed to have a city view, but they upgraded me to the fountain view. So as you can see here, you get a nice view of the Bellagio fountains. So for those of you who wonder if it does work, took a gamble and tried it, and it did. So got a view upgrade with this room. Must say I'm very pleased. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.